Hello everyone, it's Kathy with the Paper Phenomenon January bonus project. So we have a really fun and functional bonus project. I try to make these so that you can use them over and over as gifts or for whatever the case may be. So we've got a little storage box here that has a junk drawer with 4 mini albums that have 4 pages each, but with lots of flaps and some interaction. This project is really cool for a year review type project, or in this case, I did a wedding theme, which would work great for 2 groom uh, books and 2 bride books. So we have, let's say, like groom, family of the groom, and then the bride, and then the family of the bride. So really fun. So this, we've got a footprint of 6 inches by 6 inches tall. So it's a really nice cube. Again, with the junk drawer. So let me show you these mini albums. Mine are not decorated. So this is, you're just going to see it in the black page. And I may have some time to mat, but I'm just going to do simple matting. If you're wondering, the paper collection that I used here, it is the 7 Gypsies Harmony collection. Look how beautiful that paper is. Really gorgeous. So nice paper collection, and I can show you the cover here. So I used the 8x8 pad for this entire project. And you know what? I might have used a couple of 12x12 sheets, but you don't have to, because look at all of the 8x8 that you still have left. All right, so 7 Gypsies Harmony 8x8. And I just want to point out the really nice paper that they also have. They have this vintage Varsity, and I love it. I was loving the Prima All-Star collection, which was dynamite, but I always look to match up paper collections, so I think these two would match up perfectly. And I'm thinking a trophy project would be so cool. Literally a trophy with the stand, mini album coming out the stand. So look out for that really soon, guys. And Graphic 45 has a oh God, I hope that they showed it. Oh well, Graphic 45 has also a sports collection coming out. So I think that would be dynamite as well. So look out for that project, guys. I'm really excited about it. So 4 mini albums. Notice this particular one has a chain here. I think that's important. You want to put a chain on the first one, because if you don't, it's going to be kind of hard to dig in there and pull the mini album out. And once you add matting and all that, it may get a little chunky, so they'll be tight in there. So you want to have something to pull it out. You'll see that I use glossy accents to glue all of the metal elements on here. I'm totally loving this look right here. It's like a cluster of beads. This came to me from, the inspiration for this is, if you look at nail art now, they have something that's called caviar, where they use the micro beads on the nail, which I don't love, by the way. But this is where this came from. I thought about that. I'm like, why don't I put a cluster of beads along with the pen nib? And it turned out beautiful. It made it feminine. So you can definitely see which one is the groom and the bride book. And I love the way it turned out. So a simple cube, guys, with a junk drawer. The feet here are Tim Holtz feet, and also glued on with glossy accents. And these are not feet. These are the Curio knobs, and I use 4 like ones. And then here for the top adornment, because this does nothing, it's another one of the knobs, but I layered it with one of his ornate frames and some of the Prima metal flowers that are super hot now and fabulous. And this piece of paper, I believe it's Canvas Corp, that I just lined the inside of the box. This is not a 7 Gypsies paper. So this is your bonus project, guys. Storage box with junk drawer, a year review full of mini albums. And these minis are 4 3/4 by 5 3/4, I believe. Yep, and you can actually fit a nice long photo mat in here that will extend all the way to 5.5 if you choose to do that. And then you have a small flip out right here. And then you have just a single page, which I love. And you can continue adding to this if you want to. You can add another pocket. You can do like a library style pocket right here or over here, or an L-shaped pocket. So if you took the B2B course, you'll have an idea and some knowledge as to what you can do with these plain blank canvas style pages, like I like to call them. All right, so here it is, the January bonus project. Absolutely love, love, love it. Oh, and I forgot to mention in the video that all I did down here was use my distress stain to color the chipboard down here, and it worked out really well. This is the Vintage Photo Distress Stain. So that's it. There's your bonus project for January. Enjoy.